Yo! Come on, let's go.
Where are we going now?
See, I didn't tell you.
Huh?
I never told you about it.
Excuse me, Leroy.
It's a surprise. You don't even know?
Well, if it's a surprise, I'm probably not going to know about it.
That's why it's a surprise.
Unless you set the surprise
You know what?
up, I probably do know
I'm
about
going to
it.
give you a hint of what this is. You ready? Make sure you apply the second coat. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da.
What the heck was that?
Come on. All right. You know what that is, don't you?
What the heck was that, dude?
It's a beautiful hint.
Can you hint me that one more time? Because, I mean, I was kind of doing something.
No, because I love what you do for me.
What are you up to?
I don't know.
What, did this have something to do with what? Where we're going?
Mm-hmm.
Where are we going?
You gotta apply the second coat when we go there, though.
Second coat?
Of wax.
Second coat? Wax. So do that one more time, please.
Which one?
I'm trying to figure out this.
Which one? Da 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 da. Come on, you know what it is.
Bro, I don't know what's going on in your brain.
Come on. Well, we gotta go with the tow truck.
With the tow truck? What do you got to do with the tow truck?
We have to go get it.
You got another one?
Another what?
You bought another car?
Is it?
Oh, dude. Where are we going to put these things? We're going to put them on the roof.
But how do you know if it's an automobile? How do you know?
My dreams were always that I wanted to have my own speed shop, hot rodding, vintage classic cars ever since I was not even born yet.
Alright, now you gotta stay calm. You can't get pissed. You gotta bang a left.
Everybody and all their ancestors is coming. Why? Why are you telling me to stay calm?
Because you need to.
Oh.
See this gravel
Go away.
road?
It's like a dirt road.
It is.
Oh my. Are you serious?
I love what you do for me, Toyota.
That's what that meant?
I love what you do for me, Toyota.
It's gonna be hard getting it out.
Okay. Oh my lord. You have to be kidding me.
I told you to stay calm.
What are you going to do with that piece of shit?
What do you think the second coat was? I'm waiting for Biff to come.
What's the second coat?
Coat? No, coat.
What's a coat got to do with?
Biff is gonna wax it for me.
I gotta go. What are you gonna do with this?
Come here.
It's got an asymmetric line on the hood.
Oh my god. It doesn't even smell inside. It smells like a Toyota.
It does smell like a Toyota.
Look at the door panels. The inside's pretty clean.
I gotta admit, it's cool.
See?
It's just like Swiss cheese, though.
No, the bed shot and the back half of the frame shot.
What is that, coal?
Yeah.
That's a lot of coal.
I don't know if you saw, there's a little rust problem. Yeah, it's just a little. Just a little.
How are we gonna get this
Now,
thing out
this
of here?
thing's in the ground.
What'd they do, a hard burnout?
This is actually lifted, this truck. He actually lifted. This is not stock height.
I'm not picking it up from the back because this frame's gonna snap in half, guaranteed.
I'm sure it's all
We're gonna hook up to the front axle and we're gonna suck it out of the ground with the bed of the truck. Once it's off the ground, you might be able, with the front axle, pull it back onto the tow truck.
It's got a sunroof.
Are you listening to
I
me?
am.
You're hooking that up, not me. If it was nice, it would be nice. But if you're hooking that up, not me.
No.
You did this,
I did that.
and I didn't.
I don't want to just put hooks on the rear axle and pull. I don't know if the whole truck's going to go with it. Maybe a brake line, some of the rear. I don't want that. So we're going to get the chain. We're going to wrap it around the front axle. All right, and we're going to bring this chain all the way to the back. You guys know what I'm talking about? Watch.
Would you get stuck
Chain here. I asked them a question.
How are they gonna answer you if they're inside the camera?
In the comments.
Later.
No, now.
They can't do it now. They're in the camera right now. They're in it. You got that hooked up to the frame, to the front axle?
Yeah. So now we're going to grab this chain.
Bring it under the rear axle. There you go. Let me get the other ones.
Now we're going to get more chains and bring them to the truck. Look at that tractor doing the farming over there. See it? He plants corn and gives everybody, and gives the whole town allergies.
Bring that both over here.
The other chain, the tow truck chain.
Oh yeah, it goes on. Good.
Yeah, but the other tow truck chain doesn't have that hook.
It will in a minute. I need you to put this through the other side of the wheel and hook it up with that.
Well, here, throw me the chain.
Even on like the second to last or third to last link.
All right.
All right. Don't worry, you're fine. Now you got to put the bed down, I think. Get out of there. Might have to back up the truck. Try. I want to bring the bed as close to the rear axle as we can. If you got to back up, back up. You're going to have to. Don't put it all the way down. Back up a little bit. We're going to hook them up to the cable. Yeah, back up a little bit. Hey, what's up, man?
You're welcome. I told them to give this to you
Yeah,
guys.
they mentioned your name. Yeah,
I
what's up?
told them
Don't
give
worry.
that to that boy, man. Taking over
We
the
got
world.
another fan over here. see?
Taking over the
That's
world.
right, taking
this
over.
guy right here, man.
I love
I said to give it to you guys.
it. Yeah, I mean, yeah, he'll do something with it.
No, you'll do something with that. They're giving him the coal.
And with the coal,
He
it's an
wanted the
investment.
coal.
Oh, he can have the coal. That's not a problem, man.
Thank you guys.
You know.
Remember when I stopped down on my bike?
Yeah, that was that the beginning of the year? Or was that?
That was
years
last.
ago.
That had to be at least last
I
year.
rip by and
Was it?
yell, "Oh, Giuseppe!" and Dad
Yeah,
all
yeah.
the time. 'Cause I rip up here.
Yeah.
No, keep doing it. Thanks
Thanks,
again.
thanks,
Thanks
I
again.
appreciate
it.
Hey, keep screaming his name
I
out.
will.
All right.
Thanks.
First, pull the chains tight. I gotta
good.
go tighter, bro. Yeah, this has to be tighter, a lot tighter. Here. I'm helping.
All right, no, I don't need help. I don't need help.
I don't know. Better. Okay. Bring the bed out further. Go ahead. Up. Good. Keep going.
That's all.
All right. Here's what you're gonna do now. Can you move the truck up? And I'll let you know what's going
Why
on.
don't I just move the bed this way?
You can pull the bed. Yeah. Go ahead. At least it's not in the ground no more. Okay. All right. Stop right there. Put it down. All right. Good. Now you can start putting. Just put it on the bed. You're good. Take the toe chains out now. See the little hooks?
Yeah.
The little hooks. Hook that up to the chains that go all the way to the front. You guys get what I'm talking about? Who's on the phone now? Now who is it? Who's calling you now? Give me this.
What the fuck is this?
Hello? I can't hear you. Hello? That's better. No. Not today. Okay, wait. Okay, bye.
Who is it?
It's the guy with with all the
With the peanuts? Truck. Oh, with the truck?
yeah.
Oh, okay.
Peanut truck. Do it. Yeah, one more link.
I can't get it.
Damn kids.
Okay.
All right, try to winch and see how you do. Oh, here you are. I thought you were on the other side. Get in the truck. Don't do anymore. Actually, if you can let it off, turn the truck to the right and it'll pull the front over.
Oh my God.
What?
Pops.
What did you do to me, bro? This is why I told you. You towed from the front axle,
Yeah.
see? Why do you do this to me? What am I going to do with this thing? Why do you do this to me? Why?
Fine.
I need to rest. You pissed me off.
Where are you going?
Little fishies, what am I gonna do with all these little bitches that buy junk cars? I feel better now. I feel better.
Where did he go?
Get a hook. It'll slide, but we gotta start somewhere.
Here's the thing. What happened right now is that
Put that on.
the truck is too far over to this way. So we got to get the whole truck and slide it this way. So we're going to put pressure on the winch by using the pole.
Why? What is this thing? of coal.
Alright, that's it. Alright. I'm gonna put the bed up slightly and then I'm gonna hook up the front. There you go.
Again, it's ringing.
What the fucking
Give me. Go finish cleaning up.
this piece
How do you
of
put it
shit.
on?
You waited too long. The answering machine came on. You left a message.
All right, next time.
Alright, listen.
Pull back. Go pull back. Go X. X. Put that one on that. That's the way we do it. See, Nancy, pal. Bring it on over.
Watch out.
Look at you. That was a good throw. You used to work for the Giants, the baseball team.
Washington
Wait out, wait.
Giants.
Washington, Newark, I don't know. There you go, you young little whippersnapper, you. You didn't do good with this one. I'm very disappointed.
What, the car I picked?
Huh?
The car I picked?
I just want you to fire me so I can just go
Who's
work
gonna
at,
sweep
like-
the garage?
You serious? That's what you got me for?
Where'd you go before, by the way?
I went to go relax because you made me all angry and stuff. I'm gonna go relax
Hey,
near the fishes.
Is that where Mike is sleeping with the fishes?
No, Hoffa.
No, he's bad.
He's with the other fishes.
He's burnt.
Burnt out, he means. Doesn't mean anything. We don't know where he is. All right, I need to go relax because you guys ruined my day. Woo. Works instantly when you buy fishes.
Wow, that's what's over here? Don't crack your cigar in here.
No, I'm not gonna.
What the hell are you doing?
I'm meditating.
You're Mediterranean?
Meditating. How you doing?
Meditating.
Woo. Feel like a new man.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, there it is again.
I always gotta come over and complete the task for him.
God, sit in the shade. Damn fucking damn.
Damn damn.
Looks like a joke. Looks like a stomper.
These are all obviously
Anybody
over.
remember stompers? You know what stompers are?
Yeah, you.
No. Stompers was a toy of toy trucks. They had like big wheels. I'm traveling.
I don't think that's working. It's maybe.
It's a flat tire, that's why it's not bouncing. Don't get hurt.
Wow, I'm so
No,
good
one
at it.
hand like a basketball guy. What are you doing? I honestly can't believe that you got this thing.
I can't. Nobody else is going to get it.
All right, go ahead. Nice and slow. Go ahead. Nice and slow. Go ahead. All right, that's cool. All right, go park it. Go park it. I'm done with this one. It's down there somewhere. Well, you didn't need the door latch.
Oh.
Oh, there it is, the 22R.
God.
The engine that never stops running, even when the truck does. Look at that. That's one of the #1 motors that they ever made. Yeah, you need a hood.
Is it oil in it? You gotta check that.
Oil? It does, and it's pretty clean. Well, there you go. Ow.
Taking over the world. That's
One
it. Set of
deal.
1981 Toyota pickup, 4-wheel drive, getting a second coat of wax by Biff.
My dreams were always that I wanted to have my own speed shop, hot rodding, vintage classic cars ever since I was not even born yet.